What's up guys, in this video we're going to undo all the modifications on my Honda Fit. We're going to do some much needed maintenance on it and then we're going to take it for a ride. The car also had some Honda logo projector puddle light things. My girlfriend said she wants these because she has a CRV. I don't know if she's serious, but I'll keep it aside for her. And we developed like a little misfire at idle. I'm not sure if it needs a valve adjustment, but coil packs and spark plugs are huge in these cars to go bad. So I got a set of OEM Hitachi coil packs and 4 NGK spark plugs, and we're gonna throw them in real quick. So once those two 10s are out and those little thumb screw flatheads are out, and now that all those 10 mils are out, we should be able to just pull these coil packs out. Alright, well the boots are staying in there. I'm going to try to get a pair of pliers, but I don't want to mess this up worse than it is. So with a little needle nose work, the coil pack came out, but it's like kind of like in 3 pieces, which I guess I got to do that for all of them now. Like I said, I'm not too deep into the Honda Fit lore yet, but I've read that this isn't the right car number to use. And these look completely different than the OEM Hitachi ones that I bought. So let's go ahead and work on getting the rest of these out, and then we'll throw the new ones in. That's how they're coming out without the boot on it. And then the second part of it comes out, and then the actual boot for the spark plug comes out separately. So I don't think it's supposed to happen like that. So we'll go ahead and speed this up while they do the rest of these. Quick little side note, I bought these pliers from Icon, the Harbor Freight line, and they're super nice. The only thing I've noticed is like the branding's a little bit off, the etching for the logo. They're super nice. I mean, I use Snap-on stuff at work, but I don't make enough money to buy Snap-on tools for home too. But these are really nice stuff. I mean, I got the long ones and the short ones. So I definitely recommend these if you're looking for cheap stuff. Alright, so all the old plugs and coils are out. See them all in this bottom corner. They came apart in like a million pieces. That sucked. I got my NGK laser iridiums about to go in. There's a little bit of discrepancy on the torque spec for these. I'm seeing 13, 20, a quarter turn past height, an eighth turn past height. So I think I'm going to do 17 foot-pounds. And if these break off in the head while I'm tightening them, I'll just light the car on fire with me inside of it. We're going to put them all in hand tight first. I'm actually too scared to do 17, we'll do 16. I really don't want to snap these off. Now that they're all torqued, go ahead and put these coil packs in. These are the Hitachis. You really should use a little dielectric grease on these, but I don't have any. But you definitely shouldn't use as much as that was on these other coil packs. So I'm probably just going to time lapse this because it's starting to get a little dark out. I want to make sure I get this done tonight. Let's speed this up a little bit and we'll get back to it. I also just got this M12 high speed, the new Milwaukee ratchet. I'm really liking it. I had the old non-fuel versions. I do like how thin this head is, but it's not as thin as the non-fuel, so if you're really caring about that, just keep that in mind. Also 100% dropped the spark plug down through the hood latch and sitting in front of my rad. I hope it bounces out and not through my radiator because I don't feel like getting it out right now. But plugs and coils are all in. We're gonna hop in it and start it. I don't know if I'll even be able to tell if the misfire went away right now, but we can just make sure everything's good. So the coils and plugs did not fix this. I don't know if you can even tell. It's not really like a bad misfire. It's just like a slight vibration. I only really tend to feel it at idle, but it's definitely still vibrating a little bit. But we're gonna go ahead and throw the engine cover back on and all, and then maybe take it for a quick little ride. All right. So now we're driving the Fit after I did the coils and plugs. I can't really differentiate if this fixed. I felt a little bit of a hesitation when I was driving this car. Most of the hesitation was honestly on idle. So I'm thinking it's probably a valve adjustment issue. I'm just gonna have to pull the valve cover off and check my lash. I mean, these are known for just going out of adjustment, more common than what the factory tells you it does. So I'm just gonna pull the valve cover off, I guess, and just check that. But I do have, I'm glad I put new coils and new spark plugs in it. Now I'm gonna rip on some of my decent-ish roads around my house. Other than that, like, I guess my quick little 1,000-mile review of the GD3 Fit, it's good. I mean, I'm chasing a couple little problems like this misfire and all. Like I said, I'm probably just gonna have to do a valve adjustment. Other than that, man, it's fun. It's not really fast enough to get in trouble with, but it feels like it's fast. But man, I'm just driving around this back road right now, and it's like a blast. Not even breaking the speed limit. You know, it turns well. It stops all right. The brake pedal feel isn't great, but I've heard that's a pretty common problem with these. I'm just gonna do some small stuff to it. I think I'm gonna do coilovers and wheels. Some better than stock brakes, but nothing crazy. Some little interior fun stuff just to make it look a little bit better. And yeah, it'll just be my little daily. I got rid of my Hyundai, got rid of a car payment, so that'll free up some budget for the channel, whether it's project parts or gear, whatever. So yeah, man, I mean, this is my Fit. I don't really have that big of plans for it because it is my daily. It's supposed to be my super reliable daily. So I can't be doing too crazy of stuff. And of course, like the first thing I'm gonna do always on all my stuff is usually maintenance. You said it just got an oil change. Maybe I'll change the oil too. Needs an air filter. But yeah, man, like I've been hanging out with my friend Travis recently, and he's kind of doing his own thing with a couple of projects, and it's really got me going again. Like I really want to just put more effort into making these YouTube videos for you guys, because like I said, I still do enjoy making them, even though, you know, we don't have like some insane fan base. It's still like one of my like oldest hobbies. I mean, like I've said 100 times, like I've been making videos for a long time. My friends, whether it was like skateboarding or BMX or whatever, and now it's just turned to cars. I feel like I'm not really doing it justice. I'm not really giving it enough effort, and it kind of bothers me. So I definitely want to dedicate a lot more time to doing this, and also just dedicate a lot more time to working on my own stuff. I mean, diesel mechanic for a living. You know, a lot of people that are mechanics, you kind of like lose the joy of the hobby. So I definitely want to get back into doing more car stuff. So yeah, man, like I was saying, we've been working on stuff. It was really hot for a while. It's kind of like, as you can see, now it's a little bit nicer out. Dedicate some more of my time to doing this stuff. Maybe trying to just go a little bit more official with the channel, or maybe like more scheduled, I guess you could say. It really does suck that like I don't upload as much. It does bother me. So I think this little Honda really keeps me, it really gets me wanting to like work on stuff and share stuff again, because it's so fun. It's so easy to work on. It's cheap to work on. It's a fun car. It's reliable. Maybe we can do some trips in it. And Mason's working on his bike again. It actually just came down off the ramp not long ago, and he rode it around. Maybe some more like actual driving and riding videos rather than just working on stuff, because that's really what I want to do. I mean, I like filming working on stuff, but I feel like we don't really have many videos of driving and riding what we work on. It's nice to come on here and talk to you guys while I'm driving around. But from here on out, I think I'm just going to drive this road. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and see you guys later.